Hello students and welcome to your Maths online class. Dear students, in my last video, I have given you the complete explanation of chapter number 1. All the 4 exercise 1.1, 1.2, 1.3 and 1.4 are totally explained to you in my all 4 previous YouTube videos. Okay, you can check it. And now from today, I am explaining you chapter number 2. So let's begin with exercise 2.1. Dear students, in exercise 2.1, it is related to BODMAS rule, and some of the questions I have already explained you when I have given you the explanation according to assignment wise. Fine. I will be leaving the link of those YouTube video in today's video's description box. So you please check the description box today. You will be getting the link of the videos where I have explained some of the questions of this exercise already. So you can check the solution of those questions from those videos. See, I am telling you which questions I have already explained you. A part is explained, B is explained, C is already explained, D is not explained, then E part is also not explained, F is already explained to you, then part G is not explained, H is explained, I is explained, K is also explained, then L is explained, M is explained, N is explained and O is explained. So these all parts which I have marked with the tick mark with pencil, these all parts are already explained to you in my previous YouTube video. Please check the link of the explanation videos which I will be leaving in the description box. Okay, so today I will be explaining only those parts which I have not explained you earlier. Okay students, so let's begin. I am beginning it with D part which I have not explained you earlier. So pay attention. The D part is 241 minus 18 plus small bracket 7 into 12 minus 61 small bracket close divided by 8. So this was D part which I have not explained you. So pay attention carefully. First of all, we will be solving, as I have told you, BODMAS. So we have to solve the bracket firstly. So I am solving the bracket. So 241 as it is minus 18 as it is plus in bracket. It is multiplication and it is subtraction. So firstly we will do multiplication according to BODMAS. So 7 into 12 is equals to 84 minus 61 divided by 8. Now 241 minus 18 plus subtract this. 84 minus 61 will give you 23 divided by 8. Fine. Now pay attention carefully here students. What you have to do now, 241 minus 18. See, we cannot divide 23 by 8, right? Because in the table of 8, 23 doesn't comes. In the table of 8, 24 comes. So what you will do here you will be writing this 23 divided by 8 in fraction like this, 23 upon 8. Instead of dividing, I have written it in fractional form because upon means division only. Okay, so 23 upon 8. Now it is division and here it is subtraction. So now you can subtract 241 and 18. After subtracting 241 and 18, you will get result as 223 plus 23 upon 8. Now these are in fraction. This value is not in fraction. So what we can do to convert it into fraction, we will put one upon sign and then we'll put 1. So now both the values are in fraction. Now simply you have to take the LCM of 1 and 8. When you will take the LCM of 1 and 8, you will get 8 only. Now see, in the table of 1, 8 comes how many times? Yes, in the table of 1, 8 comes 8 times. So firstly write down this 8. Then put multiplication sign and then you have to put this numerator value. So it will be 223. In between put plus sign. Now in the table of 8, 8 comes how many times? It comes 1 time. So write down 1 here, multiply by numerator value 23. Got this step? Pay attention again. Firstly, take the LCM of 1 and 8, so it will be 8 only. Now you have to see the table of denominator, that in the table of 1, how many times LCM 8 comes? So it comes 8 times. So that 8 you will be writing at the top, multiply by numerator. Plus in the table of 8, 8 comes how many times? It comes 1 time, multiply by the numerator 23. Now multiply it. After multiplying, you will get the result as 1784 plus 23 into 1 will give you 23 upon 8. Now add it. When you will add, you will get 1807 upon 8. So this will be your answer. Either you can write till here or you can convert it into mixed fraction. See, in the notes you can find the solution. I have done it here till here 1807 upon 8, or you can write it in mixed fraction, which I have shown how to convert in mixed fraction in working section by dividing by 8. 1807 divided by 8. So 8 2 is 16, subtract, you will get 2, bring 0 down. 8 2 is 16 again, subtract, you will get 4, bring 7 down. 8 5 is 40, so 7 is the remainder. So the remainder 7 will come at the top, 225 will come in the center, and the number with which we have done division will come as usual in denominator as 8. Okay, so D part I have not explained you. Right now I have explained. After that I have not explained E part also. So pay attention on E part now. It is 29 minus bracket 21 divided by 7 plus again one bracket 27 plus 32 bracket close minus 1 upon 2 of 40. Okay, so this is the question. Now first of all we will be solving the bracket. So 29 will come as it is minus 21 divided by 7. So when you will divide 21 by 7, you will get answer as 3. Here you can remove the bracket. 27 plus 32. So when you will add it, you will get 59 minus 1 upon 2. In place of comes multiply. So multiply 40. Okay. Here you can cancel it. 2 and 40. When you will cancel it, you will get 20. 2 2 is 4 and 0 as it is. So 29 minus 3 plus 59 and minus 20. Fine. Now see students. This step you have to pay attention carefully. Now we have this 29 with positive sign, means no sign, that means positive. 59 is with positive sign, minus 3 is with negative, and minus 20 is with negative. So what you have to do, firstly bring these positive numbers together. आप इन दोनों positive numbers को पहले साथ में ले लो. So 29 plus 59 will be written together. Okay. And दोनों negative numbers को भी साथ में ले लो. minus 3 and minus 20 will be written together. Now you have to add these two numbers and you have to add these two numbers also. Okay. प्लस वाले नंबर्स को भी आप ऐड करेंगे एंड माइनस वाले नंबर्स को भी आप ऐड करेंगे. बट जब आप माइनस वाले नंबर्स को ऐड करेंगे तो ऐड करने के बाद जो रिजल्ट आएगा उसके आगे साइन माइनस का ही लगेगा. Okay, this is the rule of integers which I will explain you in integers chapter, but this one question is related to that rule, that's why I am explaining you. So add these two numbers. After adding you will get 88, and minus minus, whenever two numbers are of minus we just add it, but the sign of minus comes. कभी भी दो नंबर माइनस के होते हैं तो हम उसको प्लस करते हैं, लेकिन साइन माइनस का ही आता है. तो आप 3 और 20 को प्लस करिए, 23 होगा बट साइन माइनस का आएगा. सो माइनस 23, लाइक दिस यू हैव टू राइट. ओके, नाउ subtract it finally because this is plus and this is minus. After subtracting you will get result as 65. So this is your answer. Fine. So this was E part which I wanted to explain. After E I have not explained G part. So see what is there in G part. It is very simple. 63 divided by 3 minus 12 plus 7 plus 6. So firstly you will do division according to BODMAS rule. So divide the 63 by 3. So 3 2s are 6 and 3 1s are 3. So 21 will come, minus 12 plus 7 plus 6. Now this is of plus, this is of plus and this is of plus. So these three numbers we will write together. ओके, जो मेजॉरिटी वाले साइन होते हैं आप उनको पहले साथ में ले लेंगे, प्लस और माइनस के केस में ही सिर्फ, मल्टीप्लिकेशन और डिवीजन में ऐसा नहीं होगा. So 21 plus का है, 7 plus का और 6 plus का है. So you have to write these three numbers together. Okay, and minus 12 you have to write at the last. Now add these three numbers, 21, 7 and 6. After adding you will get result as 34. And now subtract this 12 from 34. After subtracting you will get answer as 22. Fine. Then after G, H is explained, I is explained. J part was not explained, so pay attention. 125 minus 15 divided by 3. Now it is having subtraction and it is having division. So according to Bodmer's rule, firstly we will do divide. So divide this 15 by 3. After dividing you will get result as 5. Okay. Now subtract 125 minus 5. So you will get result as 120. Then after this part K, L, M and O is already explained. Finally, I have to explain you part P. So pay attention in this. It's 24 divided by big bracket 5 plus curly bracket small bracket 28 minus 5 into 3 small bracket close minus 24 divided by 2 curly bracket close and big bracket close. Fine. So students, first of all we will be solving the small bracket. So 24 as it is, divide as it is, big bracket as it is, 5 as it is, plus as it is, curly bracket as it is. Now 28 minus, firstly multiply these two numbers. So 5 into 3 will give you 15 minus, divide this also. So 24 divided by 2 will give you 12 as the result. Close the curly bracket, close the big bracket. Again we have to solve the small bracket firstly. So 24 as it is, divide as it is, big bracket 5 plus curly bracket. Till here everything as it is. Now subtract 28 minus 15. So you will get 13 minus 12. Curly bracket close, big bracket close. After subtracting, now we will be solving curly bracket only, no? So after subtracting 12 from 13, you will get 1 that you will be writing in big bracket. Then finally solve the big bracket. So 5 plus 1 will give you 6. And finally divide 24 by 6. So in the table of 6, 24 comes 4 times. Fine. So these were the remaining parts of exercise 2.1 which were related to BODMAS, which I wanted to explain you. So I have given the explanation of those remaining parts which I have not explained you earlier. Fine. Now each and every part of exercise 2.1 is explained to you. If you have doubt in any of the previous explanation, then please follow the link which I am leaving in the description box. Fine students. So that's all for today. That's all I wanted to explain you. And now I will meet you back in my next video in which I will explain you exercise 2.2. From 2.2 also many of the questions I have already explained you. So whatever I have explained you and what is still to explain you, that I will give you detail in my next video. So wait for my next video. Meet you all in my next video. Till then, take care of yourself. Thank you students.